What have they got me on?
Your thumb's on fire.
I seem to be having a reaction.
Mr. Brown, it's all right.
I seem to be ill, and I can't seem to remember anything.
You may not remember very much right now. You suffered a pretty major concussion in the explosion.
What happened?
You've just come out of a very long recovery. You are now a sophisticated network of tissue hardware and software.
No! I gotta get out of here.
Oh, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, no, come back here. We're gonna go in. I'll take.